Right, so tonight we are here in 100 Montaditos. We're just going to get ourselves a beer first, and we're just waiting for Helen, Andy and Bob to turn up from the Brits Living in Spain. So we're in here for a couple of beers first, and from there then we're going to go over to the Lebanese restaurant over the road, because the Brits Living in Spain guys, Helen, Andy and Bob, they've never actually tried it, so we're going to give it a go. Hopefully it's as good as it was last time we went, otherwise our neck's on the block for telling them it's really good and it's worth going. So fingers crossed it will be as good as it was last time. Let's hope. So wait and see. And the other thing I forgot to mention is the fact that it's the 31st of October tonight, which means it's Halloween. So there's obviously stuff going on in the Habaneras. They've obviously got like skeletons and monsters and bits and pieces around, and there's loads of people dressing up as well. So no doubt we will see a few zombies at some point tonight. Sarah's thrilled about that, you can see. It is Friday, isn't it?
I nearly did something then, but I know that you've got a habit of not editing stuff out your video.
I'll leave it in just to embarrass you, Andy. Come on.
No, we're prepared.
We are back in here tonight.
I've got
Helen and Andy, Bob. We've gone for the menu of. No, let me have a look. We've got for the two-person menu, but for 5 of us, so they can adapt it for the amount of people basically you've got here, which is really cool. So fingers crossed, it's all as good as last time round. Because last time round we really enjoyed it. These guys have come because we've recommended it, so fingers crossed it stays so good.
Babouche. Oh, Babouche. Okay.
Pickles, mutabal, hummus, labne, aceituna,
olives and tuna.
spicy, muhammad.
That's nice.
That's the spicy one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's all look.
That one there is for Bob, trust me. You'll love that, Bob.
That's for you, Free. I don't know how I can get pictures of this the best way.
Hang on. So, I don't know if this is the main, the starter, or what.
This just the
Starters. And there's bread as well.
So we saw these being made.
Yes, of course.
Oh, they're amazing.
They do look cool.
Look at that.
I'll check that way. Thank you, darling.
Mandame.
Sausages are there as well. Thank you. The dish that just keeps giving.
Oh, they're still coming. I'm just going to leave this rolling.
There's still stuff coming.
Get over that bread. That bread's
Cool, isn't it?
amazing.
So where do we start?
Well, hang on, she's still coming.
Pruebe de queso.
Thank you.
Starter. Este como starter. Bon appetit.
Gracias, thank you.
Yeah.
This is the starter.
We did say there's quite a lot of the starter, to be fair.
This is like the dog's bits. Hang on.
Probably got your hand in that.
Here, should we start on this pizza thing?
Sorry, because I'm so
It's a bit strange because it's Halloween and it's his name.
That's harsh.
Oh!
And he's not even got his makeup on.
Oh, bless him.
I did say,
I thought I got some friends here, but
I did say we don't need makeup to be scary now. We're at that sort of age.
So we'll be happy with the fact that you can't say on the camera.
That's really good.
Oh, is that the pizza type
Yeah,
thingy?
that's so nice. I like
So
that. It's a little bit vintage.
it's kind of red.
Yeah.
There you go. Hopefully you can see that on this great focused on you. Hi. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell. Ding 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 ding. So
There's loads of different spices in it, and that keeps like.
Has he got lamb in it, this one?
I think it is.
I think it's minced lamb.
I think it is one. I think it's.
Got mint.
Is it mint? Yeah. What's this one?
That is my favourite. No, it's not.
Oh dear.
Those breads,
These bread. So
they look
try and get-
amazing.
It's almost.
It's gonna puff.
Check this out. I'm gonna. Oh, right. It's a bit like some people I used to work with. Full of air.
Not hot air.
No, not hot air. It's chilled out a bit now. So this is. It will actually reminds me of pitta. Look at that.
So I think that's probably Maine's turning up.
Rice? French fries?
Yep. Thank you.
So that's rice, and that's bulgur wheat, and then there's chips underneath there,
It smells really good.
and there's loads of kebabs.
Don't have liquor 43 and milk. Hello. I'm sure we've done this in one of your videos before, but liquor 43 and milk.
Andy's brainwave.
I don't know, I've seen it on one of your videos.
Right. Patent. Right. She can't have milk. So,
She can have almond milk.
no, coconut milk.
Oh, yeah, coconut milk.
Liquor 43 and coconut milk.
Yeah.
With a little bit of mango syrup in it.
Syrup, yeah, but not juice.
I don't think it would go. I don't think mango and liquor 43 would go together.
I think it would because it's.
Well, you
Vanilla.
try it and let us know.
Right, you can be there. We'll get a bottle of liquor 43 at Christmas. Bosh. Watch this space.
Yeah, you'll be watching more space than that, mate. I'll bring my own toilet.
She's just telling me what they are on Instagram.
We've got a house full.
So I looked it up. But I was like,
You know, we always keep thinking it's pick till it's all finished. But
Yeah.
still bits of stuff is there. And that's what it's like.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
They make it quite easy, don't they?
Well, it looks like. It looks like.